Hawker 850XPI. Questions. Ice and rain protection. Which structure uses TKS?
Wings and horizontal stabilizer, airframe anti-icing.
Capacity of TKS reservoir.
38 liters or 85 minutes.
What should have been done after refueling the TKS reservoir which was completely empty?
Operate the vent valve for at least 10 seconds with the pump not operating to remove trapped air.
Anti-icing low quantity light.
30 minutes. 25 seconds delay.
Check valve normal pressure.
10 psi. TKS fluid.
When does the pressure switch close?
At 6 psi. Anti-slow pressure.
Maximum allowed operating time of TKS timer.
10 minutes.
Beneficiary of engine anti-icing.
Engine inlet cowl, bleed air. PT2 and TT2 probe, electrical heating.
Why does the digital electronic engine control, DEEC, automatically interfere the engine idle speed setting with the engine anti-icing on?
At low power settings, the bleed air supply is insufficient to adequately supply the engine anti-icing. So to compensate, the DEEC automatically raises the engine idle speed. Fuel flow annunciator illuminates.
Purposes of PT2 and TT2 probes.
Provide necessary inlet air pressure and temperature data to the DEEC.
What is necessary to turn on the PT2 and TT2 probes heating?
Engine anti-ice on. Engine computer auto.
VREF speeds during a flapless landing. And without ice.
Référence plus 30. Approach. Référence plus 15. Threshold.
VREF speeds during flapless landing and with ice.
Approach, VREF plus 45. Threshold, référence plus 30.
In that case, what is the no-flap landing distance in ice condition?
It will be approximately twice the normal landing distance with flaps 45 degrees.
How many are the engine fire zones?
2 fire zones.
What temperatures is the short length subject to and for how long?
800 degrees TO 900 degrees Celsius for 5 seconds. 400 degrees Celsius most of ITS length.
Bottle's location.
In the top rear of the rear equipment bay.
Extinguisher bottle gas.
Nitrogen. Halon 1301.
Capacity and pressure of each bottle.
4 pounds. 1.8 kilograms at 600 psi.
Shot 1 and Shot 2 buses.
Shot 1. B. Shot 2. PS2.
Extinguisher fired light.
Turns red while discharging.
Honeywell APU bottle capacity. Gas name.
2 pounds. Gas Halon 1211. 250 psi. This is the end of video part 2. Questions. Ice and rain protection.